Good day, all. This video has been developed over the past 2 weeks to show that Google's YouTube is deliberately censoring certain factual video content by decimating the view counts that they accumulate. If videos have lower view counts, then many viewers will assume that the evidence of these facts or conclusions is not being accepted. As a result, they will be less likely to explore the evidence for themselves. This is one of those videos, first published on 18 November 2021. It demonstrates that the 2001 alien visitation film K-Pax was making subtle reference to the Evangelon of Mark, chapter 12, verses 20 through 25. We first look at the content and then expose the decimation of view counts to keep the presented number under 500.
Do you have a wife waiting back for you on K-Pax?
Mark. You are not really listening to what I'm saying to you, are you?
They neither marry nor are given in marriage, but are as the angels which are in heaven.
We do not have marriage on K-Pax. There are no wives. There are no husbands. There are no families.
I run my cursor along the curves in analytics to show the dates and that I am not merely photoshopping a still image. Star Trek The Next Generation and Star Trek Enterprise have also addressed this topic, along with Bob Lazar. At issue appears to be the quality of adult life forms that emerge from a limited parochial education versus a wider Catholic or more universal upbringing. Does it take a close-knit family with the biases of the Hatfields and the McCoys, or does it take a village to raise a well-balanced, sentient life form?